The bank in the box for us is a major strategic enabler for our business. We've reduced the amount of time it takes to provision a full version of the bank to support a project from 3 months down to 10 minutes. ING Direct has been in Australia since the year 2000. Over the last 12 years we've built the bank to be now one of the largest home lenders in the country. We've got 1.5 million active customers. In 2010 we set about to transform our solution delivery model. At the time we had significant constraints in the number of environments that we could support in terms of project delivery.
We had projects that were backed up for about 18 months.
Banking is all about innovation today, and what slows down innovation is if you can't deliver new functionality and new features in the applications that underpin a bank fast enough to your customer base.
We needed an ability to be able to actually drive projects concurrently much faster than they were being driven before.
And I thought to myself, if only we could contain the bank and put a box around it and virtualize and clone it, we could potentially solve the problem. Bank in a Box is overlaid with Microsoft System Center that looks after our core services, our patching, the gold images, Virtual Machine Manager that manages the Hyper-Vs for the virtualization, and we use TFS to allow us to integrate all of that back into our development and test practices.
This was a major transformation for ING Direct in Australia. At the end of the 6-week proof of concept, we got them into a room and did a showcase, and to be honest, I think they were blown away by the capability that we were showing them. Actually then placed the full bank into that box, if you like, and also put the data into it.
We used to take in excess of 6 to 8 weeks trying to provision an environment. That's all been eliminated now, and it takes less than 10 minutes.
We worked with Microsoft pretty significantly on this project, and they're really the glue that binds all those sort of underlying technologies together.
The bank in a box is a really innovative solution and a great example of true private cloud. It brings together the best of what we do in terms of our development tools, but also what underpins that is the things that we can do with Windows Server and System Center to really automate and bring self-service and a whole bunch of private cloud capabilities to that solution.
The bank in the box for us is a major strategic enabler for our business. So with it, we're going to be able to take on challenges in new markets, we're going to be able to revolutionise current markets that we're in. So for us, it's a fundamental building block.
What's really amazing about the solution is the way that it gives a single interface, a single pane of glass into everything the bank does around development, application lifecycle management, and really encapsulates that inside of this incredible private cloud environment.
The developers are actually now focused on, well, how could I make it different? How could I make the bank different? Because I have a whole copy in front of me. What can I do with it?
We've got a huge amount of capability in which to innovate, and that's something that every organisation today is going to need. We've already got it, and now the focus is now working on what are we going to do with it.